Hello YouTube friends, this is Jim. Thanks for subscribing to my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. Well, my wife and I have been working together for the last, most of the week actually, working on our kitchen. It's been a team effort. I've been painting and she's been building cupboards. I've also been doing flooring. So basically I've just been multitasking. Sometimes I help her with the drill when she has a problem with it. Sometimes I help her pick up the heavy cupboards. Just whatever it takes. And like I say, we work together as a team. Yeah, she's camera shy, but I fast forward the video so you don't have to hear her talking with me. But we have a lot of dialogue and discussions as we work together. Like I say, as a team. We're getting our off-grid home put together. As of right now, our kitchen is actually in our original house, and all we've got is a 30-inch base for our sink and a 30-inch countertop. So we've now got an addition we've built, and we're making a new kitchen. So our kitchen is going to be totally new. We've got a lot of cupboards going up, and it's really coming together good. Probably over the next few days I'll continue to do some videos. And so just subscribe to my channel and watch how our kitchen comes together. And not only that, but we'll be doing an addition again, joining the two buildings together, and just a lot of things we're doing. So it's been quite challenging. Not only challenging, but it's been also exciting. We're getting everything ready for permanent residence here. We've been spending a lot of time here over the last 4 years, but now we're spending quite a bit more time because we're coming to a close on getting our home off-grid totally. So yeah, we're dealing with inverters, we're dealing with batteries, gathering water, just whatever it takes to make it all work. My wife brought our cat out from the original house into the addition this afternoon, and she wasn't really too impressed. She didn't really know what was going on, so eventually she'll be out here all the time once we join the two buildings together. But for now, we're just enjoying the off-grid lifestyle and just having a great time. So again, subscribe to my channel, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.